This apartment is located in Jakarta. Its name is Greenbay Baywalk Apartment. Greenbay Apartment is located in North Jakarta, in the district of Pluit and in the sub-district of Penjaringan. It is an upmarket neighborhood with a constant increase in population. The involvement of this apartment, the newly grown kids and newlywed couples are suitable to live in this apartment. This apartment unit is a studio apartment with only 14.5 square meters area. The client specifically want to have a transformable built-in furniture to have a living, dining, and bedroom in one area. This is quite a challenge. When the client bought the unit, it is empty. It comes with a kitchen counter built in with concrete material. We removed it. My design in this floor plan is to maximize the function on the walls. This is to create as many vertical storage as possible. A smart design on this furniture is hidden within these cabinets. To live in a place does not necessarily require a big footprint. As long as we are able to change the function within the same footprint, that can be said a great design. The toilet is untouched, so I'm not gonna show the toilet. The philosophy of this apartment design lays on making the furniture as thin as possible so it can be folded like layers of sheets of papers, and to create chairs that can be stickable to the same thickness as the wall cabinets, so to hide all furniture within the vertical cabinets. Thank you for watching this chapter of Small Spacious. Please like this video to help the channel out. If you want to watch more of this type of content, please subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you won't miss the next new chapter of Small Spacious videos.